welcome to this DanceFit Plus workout. We are going to do an 80s inspired workout today. So please join me, take it at your own pace. We're going to start with a nice, easy warm-up with a classic song from the 80s. Here we go. All right, we're just going to start with the march. Oh yeah. So nice and simple, we're going to stay with the march for a bit. All right, we're going to roll the arms, just to roll the arms out. Here we go. Then we're going to go back the other way, warming up those arms and the shoulders. And we're going to march again. All right, we're going to do some heels at the front in a second, just to stretch the legs out. All right, here we go. Stretching the legs out, tapping away. Bring in some arms. Why not? We're going to march again. All right, we're going to do a grapevine to the side next. All right, here we go. And all right, we're going to come back to the march just while we finish this song. Oh yeah, a bit of Cyndi Lauper. Girls just want to have fun. All right, make sure you drink while you do this workout. Otherwise, we're going to move on to the next song. All right, next one we're going to do a bit of Take On Me. So we're going to start with a side step, or you can march halfway through. We're going to come forward, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're going to come back. All right, and then we're going to do single tap, double tap, single tap, double tap. Then the chorus, arms come up, bring them down. Quick 2 taps, same again, quick 2 taps. Last time, arms come up, down, and then we're just going to move to the side. All right, and then we're going to do it all again. When we do those taps to the front, we're going to do it 3 times. Second time around, we're going to do it 4 times. All right, here we go. Take On Me, aha. start with a nice side step. All right, we're going to come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. Once more. Single, 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 double tap. Single, single, double tap. All right, arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, tap. And here comes the arms. Back to the beginning. Single, 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 double. Single, single, double. Here come the arms. Go the other way this time. Tap, tap. And we're going to stay here for a bit longer. Then we're going to come back to the front. And we're going to side step. And then we're going to walk forward like we did at the beginning. This time, 4 times. Here we go. And again. Single, 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 double. And again, single, single, double. Single, double. Here come the arms. Arms. You're going to stay here to the end. Well, near the end. And then we're going to come back. And we're just going to swing till the end. And well done. Don't forget, grab a drink. We're going to do one more before we finish. And this is a bit of Scottish music. It's the Proclaimers. It's Walk 500 Miles, all right? And there are only a few parts to this. So it's a good marchy song. So we start with the march, and then we've got side steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We come back. All right. Do that a few times. And then the last bit, we're just going to walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick or tap as you come. Count 8, tap back, do that again. And then there's one bit in the middle, one bit at the end where we do slow and fast. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2. You can bounce it. 6. First time we do that twice. Second time. First time we do it once. Second time we do it twice. There you go. Other than that, we're going to walk 500 miles. And we're going to start with a nice march because it is a marchy song, this one. All right, here we go. The Proclaimers. And then we've got 4 side steps. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. And again.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you.
And again.
If I get drunk,
2.
well, I know I'm gonna
And
be,
if you want,
I'm gonna be
you
the
could
man
go
who
down
gets drunk next to
into
you.
a leg squat. If you want, you don't do it. Work those legs a bit more.
I'm gonna be the man who's heaving to you.
We're going to walk forward now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again. Tap. Back to the beginning.
Yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. And when the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you.
And again.
I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home to you. And if I
and again.
Well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's going over.
Ready to walk forward? Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. And again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms up in the air. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And we're going to march. We're going back to the side.
When I'm lonely,
2, 3, 4, and back. And again.
I'm dreaming, well, I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you.
And again.
When I go out, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yes, I know I'm gonna be
Alright, this time we're gonna put in a bit of a march.
I'm gonna be the man who's
Give this some extra music. We're gonna walk forward for 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and back. Take the kick out if you need to. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can just tap. Arms in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. And again. And again. 2, 3, 4, 6. We're going to walk forward to finish. I would walk 500 miles an hour. I would walk 500 more. And again. Gonna finish here. There we go. Well done. We're going to cool down with a lovely song from the 80s, from a really big movie of the 80s. See if you recognize the movie and the song. And we're going to stretch it up. And then we're going to bring it back down. And we'll do that again a few more times. And let's do that one more time. Bring the heart rate down. And then stretch those arms. This time, let's come to the top and pause for a second. And then we're going to lean to one side, stretching that lovely IT band down the side. Take my breath away from the movie Top Gun. You didn't realise. Take my breath away. And then we're going to come to the other side. That's all moving. Come back. Then we're going to take one arm across for a lovely arm stretch. Give it a good stretch out. And then let's take the other arm now.
Take my breath away.
Then we're going to bring the arm over the top. And then we're going to do the other arm up the top. And then let's bring that down. Turn to one side. I'm going to take that leg at the front to the back, nice and straight. Make sure you got some space between your legs. Turn back rather than a monorail. I like to say arms out for balance if you need to. Really go into that stretch. And then we'll come back. I'm going to take that leg for a heel stretch to the front. And we're going to swap. Stretching the other leg. Then we're going to come back and we're going to do that leg to the back. Alright.
Take my breath
Slowly going to come back. And we're going to bring the arms to the top again. And then we're going to bring them back down. Then we come back up. And then we're going to bring the arms down. And then this time we're just going to bring them to the side for a lovely stretch. And then we're going to give yourselves a big clap for a very good job. All right, that was a mini DanceFit Plus workout here on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get lots of other dances. I'm going to try and put a few more videos on here, and soon you'll be able to buy full dances on my Patreon, and also there'll be a couple of other places. Look for the links below where you can do a full version of this with way more songs. It'll be about 35-40 minutes of dancing. How good is that? All the details will be at the bottom. Otherwise, thank you and see you again on the next one. Bye for now.